Welcome to the Patient Better Glossary, your free self-health advocacy learning library designed to help you understand the healthcare system, take control of your care, and thrive in today's medical landscape more efficiently and effectively. We created this glossary in response to how quickly healthcare has changed. Patients are expected to keep up, to understand complex information, manage multiple portals, and coordinate across different providers. And current research showed there was a real need for a learning system to help people do just that. So our nonprofit's team of dedicated healthcare professionals rolled up their sleeves and created a foundation, a place where everyday people can build the skills that are necessary to manage their care with confidence. Our goals of this glossary are simple. We wanted our words and terms to strengthen your critical thinking capabilities to become a more active partner with your providers. We wanted you to gain more clarity and confidence in navigating and coordinating your care. And we wanted you to further advance your analytical skills needed to ask better questions and make informed decisions more quickly. With that said, we invite you to make the Patient Better Glossary your go-to resource and your home to understand healthcare better and build the skills to navigate it more effectively. Bookmark it, use it often, and come back whenever you need clarity or direction. And if you'd like to join the conversation, share your thoughts, and if there's a term you'd like to see added to the glossary, let us know in the messaging below. Thanks for watching.